Okay, so, sir, please can you tell us the history behind the status at the back there?
Good. What you are saying is Obu God. Obu God is the first Igbo hut. It was built by Harry and his two brothers, Eri, Arodi, and Arel. They built this hut. And what we do is to renovate. And when you look at it, it's this mud house, only brushed with cement. Eri, Arodi, and Arel built this place in the remembrance of their father God. So somebody may ask you how Idu come into existence. Idu is the first Igbo village on earth, and that is where you are now. We have three Idus. Benin to Ife is Idu Ife.
Idu Ife?
Yes, from Abo to Oroni is Idu. That's where you are today. Then from Oglugu to Ida is Idu Ime. So Idu was divided into three.
Idu Ime?
Yes. Okay. Idu was divided into three. And here is their ancestral home. Both Idu Ime and Idu Ife.
This is their ancestral home?
Yes. So this is Obu God, built by Eri and his two brothers, Arodi and Arel. They built this hut in the remembrance of their father, and it is called Obu in the Igbo language.
Obu.
Obu. You're welcome.
So the status behind there?
The status you are seeing is Eri, the predator of Igbo race. Eri has 5 male children and a daughter. The first son of Eri is Aglo. Aglo Eri. Aglo Eri means Enri namesake. The first son of Eri is Aglo Eri, meaning Eri namesake. The second son of Eri is Ata Eri. Ata migrated north and found Egala. The third son of Eri is Oba. Oba migrated west and found Benin down to Ife, even to a place called Ijebu. Then the fourth son of Eri is Igbo. It is unfortunate that the Igbo has no male child. The fifth is Menri. Menri migrated northeast, Jukuns, Edoma, and Tivis, and a daughter called Adambo. Adambo is the mother of Neni, Nise, Nobi, Newi. The first son of Adambo is Nei. That is where we call Umuleri today. The first, they are the first son of Adambo.
All right, sir. Well, can you throw more light on this?
Yeah, well, you see, what he said is actually what happened. You see, that of Adambo, the only daughter. Any town you see Ne remains the daughter of Adam. That town belongs to Adam. We said Ne, we know, all of them, they are all Nes, and they are from Adam.
We are the children of Aglo, the first son of Eri. And because Igbo has no male child, we answer Ndi Igbo.
Ndi Igbo.
Ndi Igbo. Not that Igbo is our father. Our father is Aglo, the first son of Eri. And because when Ata left, Oba left, Menri left, Igbo, Aglo, and Adambo are the only ones. They are the 5 Igbo speaking states today in Nigeria. So because of this, there's one Igbo adage. No ke madana ananoro oke nwanniefo maka ifia Aglo and Adambo na azazi Ndi Igbo. That's why we are called Igbo race. And we are the brothers of the Igbo. If Igala says that Igala and Igbo has the same father, no doubt about it. Their father is Eri. Eri, the 50th son of God. God, the 7th son of Jacob, Israel. That is why we have a relationship with Israel. I think we'll go into the Obu God. But there's one thing we see. You are not allowed to go in there because you are still a young woman.
Okay, I'm not allowed to go in there.
Yes. Okay. I know you are not up to 45 years.
No.
So for this reason, you have to stop at the entry. It's a scared place.
Old people.
Any woman that has to see her menstruation doesn't go in there. You will only allow when you stop having it.
So when you stop seeing your menstruation,
Yes.
that's when you
Then
go
when
inside.
You become man. So that's the only reason.
I have to wait outside.
You have to wait outside.
I have to wait outside. I don't want to go inside. No.
I know you won't.
No. I don't. In this case, I have to wait outside. Alright, let's. But I
Until
can
you
go
become
closer.
man.
But I can go closer.
You go closer. You come closer